5 primary German entity types include GmbH, Fast GmbH, Branch Office, Representative Office, and Free Zone Company. GmbH is the standard limited liability company in Germany. Fast GmbH offers a turnkey business setup solution. A branch office, Zollniederlassung, operates as an extension of a foreign company. A representative office, Repräsentanz, primarily conducts market research and liaison activities. Free zone companies are ideal for manufacturing and export-oriented businesses. Fast GmbH can be invoice-ready in approximately 2 weeks. Standard GmbH, branch, representative office, and free zone companies require roughly 2-4 months for setup. Bank account setup adds an additional 4 weeks to 3 months, depending on the entity type. GmbH variants and free zone companies offer limited liability. Branch and representative offices carry unlimited liability. Liability comparison. GmbH and free zone offer limited liability, while branch and representative offices carry unlimited liability. GmbH and free zone companies require a paid-up share capital of 25.0. Branch offices require a paid-up share capital of 1, while representative offices have no capital requirement. Corporate tax is approximately 15.8% for GmbH, Fast GmbH, and branch structures. Representative offices and properly structured free zones may enjoy 0% corporate tax. Banking options vary, including Commerzbank, Santander for GmbHs, Deutsche Bank for branches, BNP Paribas for rep offices, and GLS Bank for free zone companies. All entities except rep offices are fully operational, capable of issuing invoices, signing contracts, importing, exporting goods, renting premises, registering trademarks, and bidding on public tenders. All-inclusive INR prices for German business formation include registration, legal setup, representation, and banking. Prices are converted from euro at a rate of euro 99.84 EUR, ensuring transparent and current rates. GmbH standard 424, 89, 940. Fast GmbH turnkey 78, 37, 390. Branch office 126, 2710. Representative office 122, 40, 770. Free zone company 27, 70, 920. These rates are final and current. Selecting the right business structure depends on specific business objectives. A standard GmbH is suited for all product, service operations, offering broad applicability. A fast GmbH is best for speed to market, ideal for quickly launching operations. A branch office is designed for specific overseas projects linked to an existing company, providing a focused approach. A representative office is ideal for initial marketing and research, allowing for preliminary market assessment. A free zone company is optimal for manufacturing and export trading, providing advantages in these sectors. Meenysa International provides expert guidance tailored to individual plans, ensuring a smooth and effective setup process. Full incorporation and bank setup are handled, managing all necessary arrangements. Local representation and compliance are managed, reducing administrative burden. Pricing is transparent in INR, with no hidden charges, ensuring clear and predictable costs.